Next is pulling a roller is easier than pushing it. Pulling a roller is easier than pushing it. So the heading. You see the diagram? This is case of pulling. This is a roller. This is how we are pulling it. Force is applied. This is the weight mg. Normal reaction. Angle with the horizontal. So what is this component becomes? This component becomes F cos theta. As the force which I am applying, external force applying at an angle of theta with the horizontal, and this becomes F sin theta. You can see from the diagram, F sin theta. Now, because pulling is in this direction, so force of friction will be in this direction. Force of friction is in this direction. This is because roller is pulling, I am writing it as Fk. Fk is acting in this direction. Now you can see from the diagram, normal reaction plus vertical component, that is F sin theta, is acting along the same direction, is balanced by mg. So here n is equals to mg minus F sin theta. N is equals to mg minus F sin theta. Now force of friction, you all know. So force of friction becomes mu k mg minus F sin theta. This is force of kinetic friction. This is in case of pulling. This is, you all know, if force of friction is less, it is easier to make the object move easily. Here force of friction is with minus sign. Force of friction is with minus sign. Now in case of pushing, I am saying that pulling a roller is easier. So here force of friction is coming with minus sign. So that means in case of pushing, we will get a plus sign there. So I am drawing the diagram again. But this time this is the force with which we will pull. This is normal reaction. This is theta. So this is also theta. This is applied force for pulling. force of friction Fk dash. Now this F will have two components again. F cos theta. Here you will have F sin theta. This is in case of pulling. Now here you can see N is equals to mg plus F sin theta, and Fk dash, now this is in case of pushing, mu times N, so it is mu k mg plus F sin theta. This is equation number 2. So here you can see that coefficient of friction is, so that force of friction is greater because there is a plus sign. So you can see that Fk dash is greater than Fk, which means pulling is easier compared to pushing, because force of friction in pushing is more than that in case of pulling. This is how you will explain pushing a roller is easier than pushing. Now, as of now, I am telling you one point, that is, coefficient of static friction is always greater than coefficient of kinetic friction, and coefficient of kinetic friction is always greater than that of rolling. This point you must note. Similarly, coefficient of friction has no unit. That means it has no dimension. Mu has no unit and no dimensions. So be clear about this. Now, methods of reducing friction. This is the last topic of the chapter. Then we will start with the numericals. Methods of reducing friction. Methods of reducing friction. First method, by polishing the surface. By smoothing the surface. Polishing the surface, smoothing the surface. Here one point must be clear, that smoothing a surface beyond a limit will increase force of friction. Why? Because in case if you are smoothing a surface beyond a limit, then points of contact will increase and therefore force of friction will increase. But up to a limit, smoothing a surface will decrease force of friction. Then lubricating the surface. Use of ball bearings or rollers. Streamlining the surface. Streamlining means making the surface pointed. Suppose you are having a flat arrow and a pointed arrow, and you are projecting it on a dart board. The pointed arrow will strike and will pierce into it, but flat arrow will have more force of friction, so it will require more force. Similarly, all the objects which are moving in a liquid or fluid, that is like rocket, birds, fishes, they all are streamlined. Streamlining means they are having front surface as conical or pointed. So these are certain methods of reducing friction. Now there are two questions for your Google form. First one, in which case friction is less, in pushing or pulling a roller? You have to write your answer. Pushing or pulling a roller, in which case friction is less. And the second question is, write the dimensional formula. Write the dimensional formula for force of friction. This is your second question. This is for physics Google form. And next, in the next class, we will discuss numericals. Do practice and ask them as soon as possible. Thank you for the day.